waxaan nasoo booqday safiirka Sweden oo runtii dal Soomaaliya saaxiib la ah muddo dheer dalka Soomaaliya soo caawinayay xilligii dawladihii hore jireen iyo intii dalka burbur ka jiray gaar ahaan Puntland runtii wax badan la qabta dhinacyo fara badan dhinaca caafimaadka dhinaca Francis Labka iyo projectiyo kale oo dalka ka socda waxaan ugu mahadcelinaynaa muddadii dheerayd ay caawinayeen guud ahaan Soomaaliya gaar ahaan Puntland iyo sidoo kale community badan oo Soomaali ah oo dalka Sweden ay ku soo dhaweeyeen oo maanta kamid ah bulshadooda Sweden sidoo kalena origin Soomaali ah iyadana waxa weeye waxyaabaha runtii dalalkii ugu horeeyay dadka Soomaaliyeed ee 80meeyadii dalalkooda duruufo kala duwan uga qaxay dadkii soo dhaweeyay ay kamid ahaayeen runtii kulanka maanta wuxuu kulan aad u wanaagsan dhinacyo badan ka wareysanay mashaariicda ay caawiyaan dalka socday guud ahaan arrimaha Soomaaliya iyo siyaasadda dalka iyo arrimaha la xiriira doorashooyinka iyo waxyaabaha socda kulan aad u wanaagsan buu ahaa oo waxyaabihii aan ka wada guud ahaan iska afgaranay safiir soo dhawaad mahadsantahay welcome.
Thank you so much, President Deni, for receiving us here today. It's always a pleasure to come to Garoowe. I've been here a number of times over the years, and it's always nice to come. And thank you so much for a very interesting talk we had. We visited today the Forensic Center in Garoowe. It's a national forensic center, and it enables Somalia to, with the most sophisticated scientific equipment, obtain evidence of crime, which is among the worst crimes you can imagine when women are being raped or other crimes of similar types are being perpetrated. This center, which has been created with the lead of the Puntland government, with the support of UNFPA and partners, among them Sweden, is very important for measures to strengthen actions to stop violence against women. We also welcome the fact that Puntland has, since 2016, has a bill, a sexual offences law, that allows the government to bring to justice people who are involved and found guilty of this crime. We hope the federal government will also, and the federal parliament will also deal with the sexual offences bill soon and pass a similar bill that will allow these measures and laws to be implemented all over Somalia. Then the forensic center can be used, not only by Puntland, but also by other federal member states, and help women and girls around the country against this terrible crime. I also welcome when we discuss the measures to promote democracy in Somalia. Puntland will next year have local elections which are democratic, with one person, one vote. Everybody can vote on equal terms and participate. This is a very important signal and very important step, and it's a step in the way towards democracy in Somalia. And we hope that other local governments and states will follow this lead, and that Somalia, all over the country, will in the coming years create a system of one person, one vote, a democratic system. In this process, it's also important to make sure that the commitment that Somali leaders have agreed to have at least 30% women in parliament in this coming election, in the coming weeks and months, that this commitment is upheld. And this is a commitment that follows on the commitment from 2016, when the Somali leaders agreed to have 30% women. They achieved 34% at that time, which was a good achievement. This time, achieving at least 30% in the federal election to Parliament and the upper house is very, very important. We support wholeheartedly this effort, and we welcome the leadership that are shown by state presidents together with the federal government to agree on this goal of at least 30% women in Parliament. So, Mr. President, thank you so much for this, and we will follow very closely the continuation of this, and also the improved dialogue between the states and the federal government. And we think the fact that that dialogue has improved, and we hope that that can be regularized, because we see, like you, the importance of having a very close and continuous dialogue between the federal government and the federal member states, because this is the essence of a federal system, that you have this dialogue continuously. So thank you again, Mr. President. I look forward to visiting Garoowe and Puntland soon again.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.